Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Moon Fun. Thank you so much for the support on the channel. The channel's been doing great. We're on 330 subscribers. But anyways, today I have a really great video for you guys because I'll be actually looking into the XLM price chart, looking at the Bitcoin price chart, and also I have a really great news article which I'm going to tell you guys about in just a few minutes, and it's essentially more about XLM adoption. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and you can lose your money if you listen to me. The information in this video should not be used to make any investment decisions. These are just my opinions. And so essentially, to start off with, as usual, let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. And as you guys can see, Stellar is currently number 10 on the CoinMarketCap, and we're nearing around 30 cents at the moment. We can get a better look into that after looking at the price chart. And as you guys can see, that currently we're hovering in this support and resistance level here. XLM's been doing that for quite a while now, so it's just moving sideways. We did see a bit of action yesterday around 8 to 12 UK time, where we actually thought that XLM was about to make a huge breakout just to around 42 cents, where it did a few days ago if we actually zoom out right here. And essentially what happened was that this resistance level was just too strong for us to overcome. We tested it a few times and then we came down back again, and now we're just hovering around this level at the moment. This was my buy zone right here, but unfortunately I did miss it. I'm really sad about this, but in trading, the next trade will always come. Never FOMO in. Also guys, if you look at the Bitcoin chart at the moment, Bitcoin is breaking out. It smashed through this resistance level at 36.7k. It was testing this a few times actually. It was a very strong resistance level, and now we can see that Bitcoin has actually broke through it, and we're sitting around 37k at the moment, which is great. I just want this resistance level to hold now and act as a support level for Bitcoin, and then we can hopefully see some bullish movement. And this has been a crazy few hours for Bitcoin. It's literally just broken out in around 2 hours, so this is good for cryptocurrencies in general. Now let's just focus our attention on this great article that I want to show you guys, and it's essentially published on IBM, and it's about turning on the lights in Africa. So Irene Energy embraces confidential computing to safely deliver electricity. So Irene Energy was aiming high. The tech startup had a breakthrough idea for bringing affordable electricity to remote parts of Africa. Blockchain technologies built on confidential computing were key to that vision, providing end-to-end data security in the cloud. Now guys, I always say this, that we always focus so much on the prices of XLM and prices of different cryptocurrencies, but we actually need to remind ourselves of the actual real world applications of these cryptocurrencies. And look, companies like Irene Energy are using these to actually make a big difference in the world. So whenever I see some crashes happen, at the end of the day, I always think about the applications that Stellar can do in the world, and that's why I'm bullish on XLM. So essentially, Irene Energy realized that installing connections to electrical grids will require a significant upfront investment, so they essentially thought about how to solve this, and this resulted in them creating an easier, cheaper and more flexible back office infrastructure for energy service providers. And they knew that blockchain technologies were the key to building this type of solution, so they enlisted Thallium, which is a company with a reputation for delivering successful projects built on blockchain technologies. And what happened was, this is the great thing guys, this is the main thing that I wanted to show you guys about the article, which was Thallium helped us evaluate all the blockchain technologies, and Stellar was the best option because of the very low cost per transaction and its support for simple smart contracts. So this is coming from the founder of Irene Energy, and Thallium helped them evaluate all the different blockchain technologies, and you know what? They ended up with choosing Stellar. So that is really great because they basically did an analysis on every single blockchain technology, and then they came up with Stellar being the best option. So guys, this is why I'm so bullish on XLM and Stellar, because companies choosing Stellar for their solutions. And then they talked about how they're gonna store the keys and everything, and look, they're gonna be using the IBM cloud because of its high level of protection and lack of upfront cost to basically host the solution. So this just shows that Stellar is being used with big solutions in which people are using IBM as well, which is a very big company. So guys, this is why I'm so bullish on XLM, because it's being used in real world scenarios and actually making a difference in the world. Now another thing I wanted to show you guys was that the Stellar Development Foundation quarterly review Q4 and 2020 is happening in just a few days, 2 days actually, and it is a presentation in which the CEO of SDF will lead the call to share an update on growth metrics and achievements, including the strategic highlights from the Stellar Development Foundation and Stellar Network over Q4 of 2020 and the year as a whole. So essentially, if you guys want to get involved in this, you can always sign up, and I think there's an opportunity to ask a few questions as well at the end of the presentation. So if you guys are interested, make sure you sign up for this. And you know, if you just want to learn more about what Stellar's been doing, this would be a great thing to do. But essentially that's all for today, guys. That's the news I had. Thank you so much, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and I'll see you on my next video.